Strawberry Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup of fresh strawberries, washed and hulled. 1 banana, peeled and sliced. ½ cup of plain Greek yogurt. ½ cup of milk, any type of milk you prefer. 1 tablespoon of honey, optional. 4 to 5 ice cubes. Instructions: wash and hull the strawberries, and slice the banana into small pieces. Add the strawberries, banana slices, Greek yogurt, milk, and honey, if using, into a blender. Blend the ingredients on high speed until smooth and creamy. If the smoothie is too thick, you can add more milk or water to thin it out. Once the smoothie has reached your desired consistency, add the ice cubes to the blender and blend again until the ice is completely crushed and mixed in. Pour the strawberry smoothie into a glass and enjoy it immediately while it's cold and refreshing. Optional, you can also add other ingredients to your smoothie, such as spinach, kale, chia seeds, or protein powder, to make it even more nutritious and filling. Thank you and please subscribe.